In this SL class, the gap dimension between the roof and the windshield is misaligned. You can't see it, but with the right tools it can be easily verified. Put a feeler gauge in the gap between the roof and the windshield. The gap should be 7 mm. This value may only deviate by plus 1 mm. Here the distance is greater. Take a straight tool and check the transition. The roof must fit flush to the front. 1 mm less is still within the tolerance. Here the transition is okay. Continue with this template. Use it to check the contour of the Vario roof. The template has 3 checkpoints. They must rest on the frame without a gap. On the left the template fits exactly, but here in the middle it's far from the frame. Although the end point is right, the gap is no longer within the tolerance range. First, remove the headliner. With a few simple steps, it's unclipped. Underneath, at the front of the Vario roof, are 3 mounting screws. Loosen these a little. Now you have play to slightly move and align the Vario roof. Then tighten the screws again. Do this on both sides of the vehicle. You'll only see whether your effort has paid off when you check the gap dimension again. Is it 7 mm? Now check the transition again. Then use the template again. Now the central point is okay. The gap dimension is perfect once again. If this is not the case for you, repeat the process. Otherwise, start with the replacement. This takes place in the reverse order.